Hello everyone, the 2024 UK budget has just been released, and I'm sure that you are all aware of some of the changes from the media. Today I'm here to focus on the major impacts of these changes, and I hope that this would help you in making decisions when you buy or sell your property. Regarding the stamp duty, there are three major changes. Firstly, the stamp duty land tax rate for the second home buyers will increase from 3% to 5% from 31st of October 2024 onwards. So when is this calculated? This is mainly calculated from the date of exchanging contracts. If your contract is exchanged before 31st of October, you will largely be unaffected and will continue to pay the 3% additional stamp duty. If the date of your contract exchange is on or after 31st of October, you will have to pay the additional rate of 5%. It is also important to note that even if your contract was exchanged before 31st of October 2024, if your contract had changed in any way on or after the 31st of October, you will also be liable to pay the 5% additional rate. Additionally, if you are buying a new build property or a block of flats, the contract generally allows you to change hands once the property transaction is completed. If you acquire your second property on or after 31st of October, you will still have to pay the additional 5% stamp duty, even if your initial exchange of contracts took place before 31st of October. Secondly, if you are a first-time buyer, which means that you don't own a property in the UK or anywhere else in the world, the new stamp duty policies will also affect you. This is because from 1st April 2025, there are also two changes to the first-time buyer stamp duty relief. Firstly, from 1st of April 2025, such as the next financial year, the house price limit for this relief will be reduced from 625,000 to 500,000, meaning that houses costing more than 500,000 will not be eligible for stamp duty relief. This will obviously have a significant impact on many buyers in London, as house prices in London can easily exceed £500,000. At the same time, the stamp duty allowance has been reduced from £425,000 to £300,000. This means that first-time buyers will pay £6,250 more in stamp duty, which is equivalent to 5% of £125,000. Thirdly, the standard stamp duty allowance will be reduced from £250,000 to £125,000 from 1st of April 2025. From £125,000 to £250,000, 2% of stamp duty will be payable. This means that most non-first-time buyers will have to pay an extra £2,500, which is in fact a reversion to pre-COVID stamp duty tax rates. In addition to this, I'm sure you will have questions about whether you will have to pay the new rate of stamp duty land tax if the property is new build or will only be sold the next year, or whether it's an ongoing property transaction. On this point, as we have mentioned, you will need to check the date of exchange on your contract. If your contract was exchanged before 31st of October 2024, the previous rate would apply, unless your contract has been amended or you are buying from someone else on or after 31st of October. If the contract was exchanged on or after 31st of October, then the new rate will be payable. Do you have any thoughts on the UK budget? Feel free to comment down below and share this video with your families and friends. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.